I think the mandating the vaccine was a big mistake.
Was the vaccine capable? I think we just need to set the record straight. Was it ever capable of blocking transmission? And did it ever block transmission or acquisition of the virus?
Yeah, the vaccines were never approved for interrupting transmission. The vaccines were approved for decreasing the risk of serious illness, hospitalization, and death. Um, so if you look at some of the trials that were done, there can be a suggestion for a short term, there may be some preventive capacity, but I would argue that these vaccines don't prevent transmission. They prevent serious illness and death. And as such, you can see the flaw in the public health recommendations, and now the most recent one, to vaccinate children down to the age of 6 months. It doesn't make any sense to be vaccinating individual populations where serious illness is just not in the cards. So I'm not an advocate of vaccination of those individuals under 50 for COVID. It's not that different than what we do for RSV, where we recommend it for people over 65. And I do think the messaging could have been better from the very beginning, allowing people to know that this vaccine did not prevent infection. Mandating it for hospital workers and firefighters and policemen and the military, it was all a big mistake. If this vaccine, in fact, did block transmission, we could have a bigger argument, a big public debate about whether one would consider mandating it in certain circumstances, but it doesn't block transmission. It only blocks serious illness and death.